guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. Today I am bringing it way back to the old me when I used to do these long cut creases. The only thing is it's always one that's either bigger than the other one or just one that's simply smaller. This one is perfect. This one is just really big. So whatever, y'all get the gist of the look. I'm still gonna post it, y'all know me. So just try to be mindful of how big you cutting, and yeah, it still came out really cute though. I really like the skin, I really like the eye look, but it's just this one just bigger than the other. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and tell me what you think about this look. I did something different, totally different this time. I think I'm gonna retry like the same cut crease but different colors and different pigments. This time I'm going to try my best to make them as even as possible. Like if I do like this, maybe I don't know. That y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, press that bell button, subscribe button once you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Base number 5 and 4. So what we're gonna be doing is we're supposed to be doing like a Stacey Marie kind of look, but it's not gonna be her colors. It's gonna be totally different colors. But I just like the way she did this method to this one. Where she put the black in the front and then do the colors at the end. Let's take this black, got a little sparkle in it. This is from the Jacylin Morphe palette. Tris, you can use any black, but I just chose this one with the 167 brush, but we're going to go in the front with it. So put some of that black. Color I want to go in with is out of this Domonique Cosmetics palette. It's called Rustic Glam Suede. Y'all, hold on. Suede. So this one. Last color that I'm gonna go in with is out of the Saharan palette, and then this is, what is this? Katsina, something like that. Just for something like the brow bone. Y'all know I don't like doing too much on the brow bone. If I wanted to put a little bit shimmer right there, I could, but 2 colors will just do it, y'all, and y'all can cut it and go much up. Another clean 2-to-1 brush, and we're going to basically and I'm going to take my MAC 195 brush. Go in with a pigment. This is Gold Rush from Makeupaddiction. So the pigments I'm gonna go in with is Gold Rush, and I want to say 24 karat gold. I think I'm gonna add Wendy. Take Amour from by the Voss. Into the face part, I know a lot of my gals like you never record the face part. So for face, I did prime my face. I went ahead and used the Milk Hydro Primer all over the perimeters of the face, and I also added some drops from Eloise. These remember Worthy used to use these in the shade Go Getter, and I mixed those together and put them on my face. I went ahead and grabbed my Pores No More and my Becca Ever Matte Primer, or Mercier's Flawless foundation. In there, we're gonna put Tarte. Tan Deep Sand. Tour foundation stick from Krylon in the shade V23. And I definitely don't want to take it that far down. Alright, so now that that part has dried a little, we'll take my damp beauty blender. Blush. I'm gonna take Cocktail Party. Powder in the shade Butter Nutmeg and No Shine, and also Sacha Buttercup. Mix all of those together. With my Dose of Colors highlighter from the Desi x Katie collection and Chasing the Sun. Showmance